how this is how we judge for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do a hard factory reset to watch 9 BKX HK900. So you have the watch, hit the dialer to go inside the menu, go inside setting button. In setting you have system menu. It's difficult to here see all the menu. Here system menu, you go inside. In system menu you see you have all these options: shutdown, restart, new mobile phone, and factory reset. Hit factory reset in this case and hit this button. So this is going to restart. Says hello. It's done. Now you can select the language and other stuff and set up your watch as you have done for the first time. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.